Why this beat so complex?
It's time for that belt. You tryna slide, well I'm tryna stop. Down to my dick, I had nobody look. You know how I feel when ain't nobody doubt. Flavor, I'm back to myself. Don't care.
What going on, YouTube? It's your boy Drevlogs back with another video, man. Like overly. Hey, listen. So listen. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I just wanna let y'all know, bro. First and foremost, bro. Not gonna lie to y'all, man. I gotta say this, bro. First and foremost, bro. Gotta thank God, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, bro. God been so good to me, bro. And like, to the point to where like, it's gonna get ridiculous to where like, bro, it's unbelievable, bro. You just gotta have faith and just believe, twin. Got the damn, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. As y'all can tell by the title of the video, we got the damn, I just bought a new Mustang, bro. Not even gonna cut y'all, so listen. Bro, I'm gonna give y'all like a look around of the car. So, it kind of like the Mustang that like I low-key wanted as like when I got into Mustangs. And like, it crazy though. They're my second Coyote Mustang. So like, it crazy, bro. They're why unbelievable. And I tell y'all, bro, I ain't gonna lie. Gotta put God first, bro. When you get closer to God, bro, a lot of things just happen and work out, bro. I don't know how he working mysterious ways, but hey, I'm telling y'all, bro, right now, bro, that man God, he real, bro. He real. I'm telling y'all like that. He for real, bro. But listen though, man, this boy is sick. But hey, we're gonna scratch that right now. We're gonna say that for later on. Listen, car's sick though. It got the red seats in it. Can't go wrong. It got the red seats in it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And we got the digital cluster, CarPlay, and I gotta have my gauges. I had to have my gauges. My last one had my gauges, and I had to get it, bro. Then with this, we got modes in this. But listen, I'm gonna give y'all. We're gonna get all that. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bro. If you like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video, bro. Don't forget that. And bro, we're gonna have fun today in the day vlog, bro. We're gonna enjoy the car, and I hope y'all enjoy it too, bro. Like it, bro. Share the video, because bro, listen, hey, I mess with the support, and bro, like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I'm trying to get this one smooth, like my last one, but better. We're gonna have this one better, bro. We always gotta step harder. I'm in hand right here. First mod, bro. Jay got it. And I ain't gonna count. First mod, we finna add a steering wheel, bro. We finna get these cosmetic right. And I ain't gonna count y'all. I'm gonna go over all these features. I'm gonna go over all these features and stuff later on. But right now, we're gonna put this first mod on. We're finna put this steering wheel on. We're gonna see how it look. Cause it's gonna pop with all that red in here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So we're gonna see. Y'all stay with me. I'm gonna be back with y'all. We finna put this steering wheel on. But y'all gonna be there with me. You feel me? So just stay like that. We in the shop with it right now. So like, gotta get a 24mm socket. So we need that. And I gotta get the impact. We're gonna need to do that. Okay. So we got the impact. Yes, sir. What's this socket size, man? This ain't no 24 though. I need a 24. Hey man, listen. Y'all just don't know. I've been waiting to install this, this steering wheel for the longest. And when it came at the perfect time. So I could install it. So we gonna get it done today, man. No cap. Y'all just stay tuned though. While I'll be up here around trying to find this socket, so we're gonna find a socket though. For sure. It's over here somewhere. It looking me in my face. I know it is. I just know it is. It looking me dead in my face, bro. So first and foremost, what are we doing right now? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm finna blow some shit up, cause I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I just playing that y'all, man. I know what I'm doing. But anyway, man, listen. So we need a 10mm socket. All right, so we back, man. All right, first thing we gotta do, we gotta unhook the battery, because shit, we don't want that bad popping in our face. So we need to unhook the battery. So, and this is just a 10mm, so a 10mm socket. that boy should just loosen that thing up a little bit, and it should come right up out that bad boy. Not ain't gonna lie to y'all, it should come right. Yeah. Hey, I ain't gonna cap. I'm tripping. You need to keep that way it at. I'm tripping, y'all. Wrong screw. So we gotta unhook this bolt right here. I'm finna put a steering wheel on. Just gotta take that screw out, and then we good. Take the cable off the battery, negative side, and we gonna get right into it, man. So we're in the car, and the next thing we gotta do is, let me straighten this up a little bit. As y'all can see, that little hole got some tabs to where you can pop the airbag out right here. But it got wires on it, so I gotta be careful type ish. You got one on this side too, right there, behind there. Can I pop it out real quick? Let's see. I ain't gonna lie, this sun hitting, twin. We gonna see, gang. Okay, so I'm locked in, bro. So I'm up here feeling for the pins, bro. And right here, you can tell, there's a pin right here. And this would technically be the hole that you gotta press the pins through, bro. I don't think people explain this, bro. Like, you gotta press this pin and then pop the airbag out type ish. So now, like this, give me kind of like a guidance point on what I should be doing for real. So we finna get back. Try number 4. Let's see, shot in. It kind of give me like a yeah. Oh, I'm pressing it, but it's not popping out. Found you, my boy. Alright, y'all. So next thing, we got the pins out. They gave me here. Those are the pins right here. You gotta push those. So I got them out. So next, let's try not to fuck ourselves up, bro. Let's try not to do that. So you got 3 things you gotta unhook. This is 1, 2, and 3. You gotta unhook all 3 of these pretty smooth. So that what we finna do. Stay tuned now. But just so y'all can see it, bro. That black one kind of simple. You just had like a little pin on this. You press and pull out. These, you pop these orange tabs up. They'll be down. And you just pop these up. And you just wiggle these out. And they should come out. So we finna wiggle these and get these bad boys out. Okay. I see that the blue and white go on. Alright, blue and white will go on my right side with the Mustang facing me. Okay. So look, hey look, so you got 8 screws to take out. Cause you gotta take off all your electrical and transfer it over to the other steering wheel. That's what I gotta do. So I'm starting out, it's 8 of them. So I gotta start out. I'm working my way around from this side to this side. So we can get all of them out. Cause you got some that you gotta take out in the back too with the wire that's connected back here. So stay with me, fam. Stay with me. I got y'all. All right, so next, where we at, bro? So we taking off your control panels. And they all color coded. So I just took both of them out. That one ain't got a wire hook to it. They just, at the bottom. And this control is gray. So you kind of know. And that's good that they color coded it, so you know. And then we're going to start on the lower controls after this. And they got the same thing. They got some screws at the bottom that you take out. And then you can take these out. And then you got to transfer them over. Now with these lower controls, you only got 2 screws that I can see. So we're going to try these 2 screws that I only can see. I'm pretty sure just the only screws. So what we're finna do. Take these off. Yes, sir. I got it loose, and there's some release tabs on this other plug that we got to take out as well for both of these, just to release them from the steering wheel as a whole. So that's the next thing. There's a lot of steps to this, man. Y'all gotta pay attention though. Stay with me. Then boom. All right, we got that off. So next, we gotta take out the paddle shifters. So they located on the back. Got little tabs and little plugs. You just pull them tabs on the plugs and release both of those. And there's also screws in these. You got 1 and 2 for both sides of the paddle shifters to release them. So you got the plugs and the screws. So everything basically like that. I think they only got 1 or 2 screws in that holds them, and they got a plug. So that's what we finna do. Finna hit those screws. Let's get to it. So y'all, we almost there, man. We gotta pop this shell off so we can put this on the new steering wheel. So only thing you gotta do It just basically got tabs. You just pop all these up. Find something like plastic to stick in there and pop these up. And then you got one more connector, which is going to be this one right here is a black connector. And you can see it better, and I'm going to show you when I take mine out. All right, so last thing before you can take the whole shell off, you got this. You got this right here, this plug. There's one last plug, and then you good. You can take the whole shell off and begin transferring over to the other one. So that what we finna do, finna take this off, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, so y'all, self-explanatory, man. What I'm finna do, finna go back through, finna put all this back on as I took it off. Hey, they don't say this, but like I was stuck on where the other steering wheel at. But like this car got a heated steering wheel, basically. So like this wire right here hangs. We finna go back, put all this back on, and then we're gonna hook everything back up, and we're gonna see how it look, y'all. So stay tuned. We got it all put back together, man. Now I'm finna torque the screws down and put the airbag back on, and then we're gonna hook the battery up, and we're gonna see what we got. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, so far so good. Like the video, man. Subscribe to the video, man. If you messing with it, subscribe to it, bro. Cause I got more stuff I'm doing to the car. So stay tuned, for real. Cause I ain't gonna lie, but how it's looking good. Last thing is we putting the cable back up to the battery. And we finna see how she gonna do, bro. How she gonna look. We gonna see that I fuck up or not. That's what we gonna see. Oh my God, twin. We back. Now we gotta make sure everything work right. Then we gotta make sure, y'all. Hold on. A lot of y'all, everything came out smooth. I like the steering wheel. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I love this, bro. This is a little sporty, bro. I like this. This feeling is just, it's A1 day one. You feel me? I was just making sure that you feel me, that everything working right. So hey, look, y'all. If you like the video, hit that subscribe, bro, and like the video, bro. If you mess with the video, hit that subscribe button. And man, comment if you want more videos like this of installs. But I ain't gonna catch y'all. This by far is one of the, I don't know why, it was the most simple but complicated. The red accents, the car, bro. Feel me? If it's a hit or miss, y'all just let me know, bro. And if y'all like the video, subscribe to the video, bro. Stop BSing and listen. Hey, if y'all like the car, y'all like the content, bro, hit that thumbs up button, bro. And look, all y'all gotta do is lock in with me, you feel me? We on to the next thing. Let's do it. Plug.